Challenge number 3 is get a match and FaceTime them on Tinder.
Dude, that's gonna take time, bro.
Oh, hold on. Guys, look at this. I'm not even gonna lie. I logged into this old Tinder account that we made for a previous video. And look at all this. I'm not capping. I swear to God.
Hello, Emma. Swipe. Danny, you're a dude. Hello, Kim. Swipe.
Haley goes to SC. She wants to ride like Carnival. Oh, got a match with Haley.
What?
Hold on. I have a fish on the hook. She hit me back. She's active right now. I said, what's up? She said, hey. Let's FaceTime. That's all I'm saying.
Send her a picture.
Okay.
No, don't do that. Do not send the naked Morat.
It doesn't fucking matter because she said I can't right now. She has her daughter with her.
Oh, her daughter.
Oh, Emily matched with me.
Screen share. Let me control your Riz.
Not a chance. You riz your own chicks, my brother.
I don't have any, dude. Nobody's giving me a like for some reason. I don't know why.
Oh, that yeah, that's mad.
yeah.
How we doing, Shawty?
She's an analyst. She can analyze this swinging. Okay.